Hi guys, today we are going to new seafood steamboat, and it's a newly open place and we're going to try it out. So do join us and hope you enjoy. So there's like 3 stories over here of dining spaces. So at the bottom there's like a wider space. No, the food, collect your food downstairs. And second floor is like family gathering places.
So you're ordering, right?
Yeah, there's a lot of seafood, including like snake head.
Crabs.
Even have cold dishes. Wow, look at this. Like so sumptuous.
Yeah, you see, we have all this. That's like the cold dishes, which has already been prepared, so you can just eat it on the spot. So they have like all those meats. This is the famous. So the waitress introduced us to 2 soup base, which is mala tang and the ginseng chicken.
Yeah, so it's mala tang and
Ginseng chicken. Yeah.
ginseng chicken.
So you can grill and you can have soup together.
Look at that sizzling meat.
And it's spicier.
So you can barbecue the crab as well.
After cooking with the mala tang.
So they recommended to put into the soup first, cook the crabs, and then you grill it on this plate. This is our final round. I think all in all, it was great, and the food was nice. I love the mala tang, and also the fatty beef is a must get, and also the crabs is something special that hotpots do not have. And so do subscribe to my channel, Unconventional Passions, even as we bring you more content like this. Thank you, and God bless you.
God bless you.